This is the highest mountain in Panay. In this video, we will explore this beautiful mountain. Puno sa challenges, linta, walang katapusang ascent, and the most expensive climb na na-experience ko. So tara! Join me in this crazy adventure at the highest peak of Panay. Mount Madjaas. Make sure you finish this video to know the budget, gears, what to expect, and of course, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This adventure started when my idol, the Negrense Juanderer, a content creator at saka organizer dito sa Western Visayas, invited me for a climb. Hello?
Tara, Mount Madjaas.
Tara! Located in Kulasi, Antique, second highest mountain in the Visayas, next to Canlaon. Mount Madjaas has a height of 2,117 meters above sea level. With an aggressive ascent, beautiful mossy forest, kakaibang flora at fauna, definitely a mountain you should experience. And with a rating of 8 out of 9 by Pinoy Mountaineer, this mountain is no joke. And on May 29 from Cebu, I fly to Bacolod. Siyempre, nag-side trip o trip konti. Eventually, met up with the gang at Redco Port, Bacolod. Unfortunately, my idol, Negrense Juanderer, can't come kasi nanganak yung wife niya. So, congratulations, Master! Finally, when everyone was ready, we hopped on a boat to Iloilo. And from Iloilo, we reached Kulasi, Antique. Did all the permits, and eventually, we reached Barangay Flores, the official jump off this hike. The total duration of this hike is 3 days. Day 1 for the base camp, Day 2 for the peak, and the last day, pauwi. A total of 23 kilometers approximately. At around 10 a.m., nag-start na kami mag-hike. Umaan na kami sa isang bridge, at from there on, assault na lahat. Honestly bro, kahit start pa lang, parang pagod na ako. Hinihingal na talaga ako. Slowly ascending, I arrive at this beautiful clearing. Despite the beauty, ang init kasi walang masyadong shade. Fortunately, we arrive at an outpost. Kumain na in advance at nag-refill na ng water. As we move higher and higher, at this point, parang mapapag-give up na ako kasi ang bilis ng mga kasama ko. At ako parang wala sa kondisyon. All the memories and experience sa pamumundok, pain and inconvenience is temporary. Kaya, move forward. That's the most important thing. And finally, after almost 6 hours of hiking, we are now descending down to the base camp. Hearing the flow of the river, my God, na-renew na yung strength ko. Kasi malapit na kami sa campsite. Oh my God! And a few insane steep path. Finally, dumating na kami sa campsite. Napaka-beautiful ng campsite. Malapit sa river, kaya nag-set up na at nag-chill. And the best reward is yung nilublog ko yung paa ko sa cold river. Wala lahat ng sakit, temporarily. And after that, kumain sa masarap na handa ng organizer. Readying myself for the next day, hoping for a good weather. Alright, dinner is already done and tomorrow is summit day. Hopefully, makasummit at may clearing. And hopefully, ma-finish natin kasi I'm so weak. Alright, good night!
Day 2 po summit tayo ngayon. So, nakita natin masama yung panahon. Pero, ingat tayo. At may kuha tayo ng cut-off time sa Bonsai Forest. Pag hindi ko makalagpas ng 10 to 11 a.m., babalik kayo automatic. Kasi sigurado, gagabihin yung yung hindi makaabot doon ganitong oras. 11 a.m.
After that briefing, kumain na
Sino si
at nag-start na ng climb. Passing through this river, dito na talaga naging crazy yung trail. Ascent is really steep, and you can really see this in Google Maps. Napakasikip ng trail. Wala ding markers. We were lost. Trail is really obscure. At puti na lang naabutan kami ng guide namin. Kasi baka sa ibang bundok na kami dadating.
Wait may mga loose yung rocks.
Uy, mananong, lalain na iyaks!
Waiting for pictures. Some crazy drop.
This is even farther than the start. But like all journeys, eventually it gets better. And we arrive at the view deck. Yet, the weather is not weathering, bro. Wala talagang clearing. The ascent is not as crazy as earlier, but this is not easy. Tight at steep. At may mga leeches pa na umaangkas. Eventually, dumating na ako. Famous Mossy Forest. Napaka guwapa talaga, bro. And if you look at the branches, you can see that there are gaps between them. Napaka cool. Peaceful. And of course, nag-relax kami konti. Kasi talagang mahaba-haba yung distance ng hike namin for today. Unfortunately, we need to move forward kasi may cut off. We need to be at the peak for 10. As we move along, we met yung mga kasama namin malalakas. Papunta pa lang kami, babalik na sila.
Malapit na?
Unfortunately,
Malapit na
wala
madol?
silang clearing. Kasi the weather is not weathering. Despite that disappointing news, hoping pa rin sa pagpalain. As we approached near to the peak, I had an accident. I slipped
Malayo sa
and
bituka.
my shin was hit. Branches. It was really bad.
Tas malayo pa.
I remember, oh my god, ma-injure ako dito. Fortunately, temporary lang yung sakit at walang masyadong injury. So, I pushed through. Last push, eventually, we arrived at the peak. Unfortunately, wala talagang clearing.
Kami kayo eh.
We waited and eventually may konting clearing. And for me, it was enough. Mount Madjaas was not in the mood for us. Still thankful kasi binigyan pa rin ng opportunity makasabit. But later, may kukunin pa ang Mount Madjaas sa akin.
Namatay yan. Diyan yun.
Ate and decided to descend. The weather started to get worse. Trail became slippery and my shin is still in pain. As we moved down and down, talagang naubos na yung energy ko. Somewhere here. Honestly, I wish I trained, so prepared. Despite all of that, kinaya na lang. And eventually dumating na sa camp.
Woohoo!
Happy that the day 2 is done.
Oh, kita mo yung hininga ko.
Nag-socials na kami with malalakas na kasama at malalakas na lukas. Kumain at nagpahinga. Day 3. After getting a good breakfast, nag-pack up na and move. trail was easier compared to the last 2 days. Merong slight ascent,
Galing kami dyan.
but it was okay.
Akala ko
Kasi
talaga ba?
most of the time downhill na.
Oo.
Dito na ako
Siguro mga 2
nagmadali
hours, 1 hour.
papunta sa isang clearing,
Tingnan tayo doon.
hoping na
Yan
makakuha
siguro,
pa
sir,
rin
yung
ng
nasa
magagandang drone shots sa peak. As I sat down at nagpalipad, something bad happened. Flying my drone with 60% battery, I underestimated the distance. Hindi na bumalik yung drone sa akin. And honestly, napakasakit. Pero wala akong magagawa.
Mura sir, parang may mga parang yun yung nakita sir oh.
Looking down, I was in shock. This was really the most expensive climb. I tried asking the locals if there is a chance.
Oo.
Maybe they can pick it up.
Supply ka ba niya?
They said it is hopeless. So kaya,
Namatay yan.
bye
Dyan
Drone
yun.
James for real.
Most likely patay na
You
yung
will
drone,
be
pero
missed.
yung footage lang
You
siguro
give
ba?
me the best shots.
SD card lang.
Climbing era ko. So, I hope you can subscribe para ma-happy yung drone ko. Alright, so how much is the budget for everything? For the flight from Cebu to Bacolod, it's around 4,204. And for the event fee, which includes 6 meals, transpo, permits, 5,799. Barge cost is around 458. Give or take 10,461 pesos yung gastos ko.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it because I really worked hard for this video, from the animations, editing, script, voiceover. It took a long time because I wanted to publish a good video. Unfortunately, my drone just didn't make it. So, yeah, sad. So, please support me, subscribe or like my YouTube channel. It really helps a lot. And special thanks to the Negrense Juanderer, Mr. 30. Thank you. If you're interested in hiking Panay or any Western Visayas climb or mountains, I think you should inquire to the Negrense Juanderer. And also, special thanks to Sir Kenneth for helping me out, for facilitating me, for giving me free t-shirt. Thank you so much, sir. I didn't expect you to be so generous. Thank you, Sir Johnel, for providing me drone footages. Without you, I don't think this video would be good. Hopefully, we see each other on the trail, and let's make good videos if ever we see each other on the trail. Thank you so much, and that's it for me.